Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I want to teach you guys two simple workouts to help you build bigger shoulders as quickly as possible without any equipment at home. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the video. Let's go. So the first workout, it's called the shoulder taps, and that's how it's done. You fix yourself in the push-up position and you touch your shoulder. Touch your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you can do as many as you want. When you get tired, then you take a rest. Then you continue. Very simple and very effective. So this is the first workout. And the next workout I'm going to do is the Hindu push-ups. And this is how it's done. Raise your legs high like this. Straighten your legs like this. Then go down. Yeah, you see. But this one too, you do it as many as you can. But if you're a beginner, I'm not sure you can do up to 15 reps. So from 5 to 10 reps should be normal for you. You take a rest for 10 to 15 seconds, then you continue again. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you have anything concerning fitness, concerning mindset, let me know and I'll gladly answer you. Stay tuned, and I'm going to see you next time in the next video. Bye.